Hey there, it's Miss Hall. Alright, so I got your email and we're looking at page 12 and 13. So you said you understand all of it except for the multiplying to eliminate fractions. So I'm just going to do number 1 with you just to make sure that you're understanding 100%. So of course we know that we have our formula here. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And we have to plug in y1, our slope, and our x point. So of course we fill this in again. So now I have y minus 1 is equal to, the slope is negative 1/2 times x minus 2. Alright, so now I'm going to drop the parentheses on my left hand side because there's nothing in front. So I can just get rid of these parentheses and have y minus 1. And then I have to distribute my 1/2 to both of these. So now I have negative 1/2 x. And then negative times a negative is a positive. And then I have 1 times 2 is 2 over 2. And again, or I'm sure as you know, 2 over 2 is just equal to 1. So I'm going to put a plus 1 there. All right. So now we have to do the multiplication to get rid of, well, let's first bring our x to this side, our x and y's to one side each, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and bring this way, and to do so, I have to do the opposite of subtracting 1/2 x, so I'm going to add 1/2 x to both sides. On my left side, these will cancel, which gives me 1/2 x plus y minus 1 is equal to 1. My 1 on the right hand side just came down. Now I'm going to bring this 1 to this side and do that. I did the opposite. So again, instead of subtracting, I'm going to add 1 to both sides. My 1's on the left hand side will cancel. So on the left hand side, I have 1/2 x plus y. And on the right hand side, I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. All right, so then now we have to multiply to eliminate fractions. So the first thing you need to look at is you have to find your LCD. So most of the time you're only going to have one fraction, I believe, but however, just in case, look at all of your denominators if you have multiple and find the least common denominator. In this case, we have one denominator, so our only option is going to be 2. So our LCD is 2. To multiply to eliminate fractions, you multiply each term by your LCD. So I have to multiply this term by 2, this term by 2, and this term also by 2. So I'm going to multiply it by 2, multiply it by 2, multiply it by 2. Because that's what my LCD is, okay? Now my 2's on this first term will cancel, which will give me just 1x or x. Then I have 2 times y, which is just going to be 2y, equals, and 2 times 2 is 4. So pretty much your LCD is just going to be used to cancel your denominators, and then everything else also has to be multiplied by that. Therefore, this would be your final answer. Alrighty. I hope this helps. Let me know if not. I do more videos for that, and I would do a separate video for pages 18 and 19.